In this video, you'll learn how to find someone's Microsoft Bookings page quickly and confidently using just a web browser and your existing organizational access. This is really useful when you need to schedule time with a colleague, a department, or a specific team without going back and forth over email. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any modern browser your organization supports. In the address bar at the top, type in book.ms and press enter. This short address is simply a convenient way to get to Microsoft Bookings. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in with your work or school account. Go ahead and use your regular organizational credentials here. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Microsoft Bookings homepage. From the homepage, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a navigation area, often called the sidebar, with several options. Here, you want to find and click on the option labeled Shared Booking Pages. This section is specifically designed for calendars that are shared across a department, a team, or your wider organization, rather than personal calendars. When you click on Shared Booking Pages, the main area of the screen will update to show content related to shared calendars. At the top of this page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll do most of the work to find the booking page you're looking for. Click into the search bar and start typing the name of the person, department, or team whose bookings page you need. For example, if you're looking for an IT help desk calendar, you might type the name of the help desk, or if you're looking for a specific team, type the team's name as it's known within your organization. As you type, Microsoft Bookings will start searching through shared and public booking pages that you either already have access to or that have been made visible to your entire organization. If the page exists and is shared with you or publicly within your organization, it should appear in the search results below. When you see the correct department or team calendar, simply click on it. This will open that specific Microsoft Bookings page where you can view available time slots and book an appointment or meeting directly according to the options they've set up. If you don't immediately see the booking page you expect, try a slightly different search term. For instance, use a shortened version of the team name or a related keyword that might be in the calendar's title. Keep in mind that you can only find calendars that either you've already been added to or that are public to your organization. If you still can't find what you're looking for, it's possible that the owner hasn't shared the booking page broadly, and you may need to contact that person or team to request access. Once you've found and opened the right booking page, you can bookmark it in your browser for easier access in the future. That way, if it's a page you'll use often, you won't need to repeat the search every time. And that's all there is to it. By going to book.ms, selecting shared booking pages, and using the search bar at the top, you can quickly locate and use any shared or public Microsoft Bookings page available within your organization.